Got a new OMRON blood pressure monitor? Let's quickly pair it with the app so you can track your readings anytime, right from your phone. Here's how to set it up in just a few simple steps. Go to the App Store or Google Play and download the OMRON Connect app. Once installed, open it and sign in, or create a new account to get started. Turn on your OMRON blood pressure monitor and enable Bluetooth on your phone. In the app, select Add Device, choose your monitor model, and follow the on-screen steps to pair successfully. After pairing, your blood pressure readings will automatically sync to the app every time you measure. This lets you track, review, and share your results anytime, right from your phone. Stay on top of your health with accurate readings. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.